Want to create a unique shopping experience for your customers? Today, we're diving into how you can add interactive video quizzes to your e-commerce store. A fun way to engage your audience and boost sales. Let's get started. There are different types of videos you can add to your quizzes. Start with an introduction video to welcome users and explain why they should take the quiz. This can be a short 20 to 30-second clip showcasing your brand and building excitement. Next, consider adding how-to or explainer videos to help customers understand a question better or demonstrate product use. Keep these between 1 to 2 minutes. Customer testimonials build trust, while product overview videos can help users decide between products, highlighting benefits and features in 30-second segments. And for a personal touch, use recommendation videos that respond to customer answers, making their experience feel tailor-made. Ready to start? First, make a plan. Outline your quiz, decide where to place videos, and script out each one. The introduction videos work great at the start, and explainer videos can add value throughout your quiz. Use videos to illustrate answers or even summarize results. When recording, make sure to use a good quality camera, proper lighting, and a clean background. Optimal dimensions are 1280 by 720 pixels for high-quality playback that still loads quickly. Now it's time to build. Use a tool like Shop Quiz Product Recommendation Quiz to create your engaging test. Integrate the videos via question settings or markdowns. Test everything on mobile devices and make adjustments as needed. Shop Quiz allows unlimited testing so you can ensure everything runs smoothly before launch. Once you're happy with it, publish the quiz on your website, as a pop-up, inline, or even as a social media link. Get creative. Interactive video quizzes are a great way to capture attention and drive sales. Just remember, keep your videos short, engaging, and optimized for mobile. Follow these steps, and you'll be creating quizzes that delight your customers and increase conversions. Ready to start your own video quiz? Check out our guide in the description and build your perfect quiz today. For more e-commerce tips, visit revenuehunt.com/blog.